big chic line of gowns.
No!
There! Now it's perfect. Nothing we can't fix in a stitch. What are you doing in Canterlot? I'm here for...
Nothing!
See you tonight! I'm gonna get to fly with Wind Rider and the Wonderbolt, 'cause I'm the bestest and I'm awesome and they know it. I'm gonna get to fly with Wind Rider and the Wonderbolt, 'cause I'm the bestest and I'm awesome and they know it.
I have to warn you, if you sent that letter, the bylaws are clear. I'd have no choice but to ban you from the Wonderbolts forever.
Forever! Rainbow Dash was right. In order to solve the mystery, we had to be focused, driven, 100% in the... Ooh! We don't have time to look at the decor. Perhaps I should take it from here? Even I think I'm guilty at this point. I really did want to fly in that show. Oh, calm down, Rainbow Dash. We'll get to the bottom of this. You don't say. Rainbow Dash was obviously upset. Why, Wind Rider? Is it
I just stood there until the fire department came and broke the lock with the crowbar, and I had to spend the next 6 weeks in lip rehab with this kid named Oscar who got stung by a bee right on the lip, and we couldn't even talk to each other until the 5th week because both of our lips were so swollen, and when he did start speaking, he just spoke Polish, and I only know like 3 words in Polish, except now I know 4 because Oscar taught me the word for lip. Usta.
So my friend got her moment in the sun, or the center of an aerial flight.